Guys, today, ginawa ko to dati. Diba? Nakasuot ako ng hairband. So, gagot naman ako ng grapes. What I said last time, I made the blueberry, remember? Second grade. One little paper, and tissue, and tape, and gunting. And katam siya ng plastic. Gusto ko lang maging malambot talaga siya. Senior hash letter Freddy. But kung okay na, balik ko na. Yay! So, katapos ko palang balutin siya. Binabalutin ko na siya ng papel. Okay. Ito na, guys. Actually, dang it. We need the purple. Iba pang dito yung purple. And it's actually purple. Is this the only one purple? Nah. Actually, dang it. At least I have a green. Whatever. Oh my God! Sunod na itong grapes. Gagawin ko orange or cherry. Comment in my kung kayo na bahala anong gusto nyo. Mga dragon fruit, kahit anong mga prutas. Kaya ko yun. Sabi. Anong gusto nyo? Comment in my comment kayo kung anong gusto nyong color, ay anong gusto nyo naman. Masunod yung picture, comment kayo anong gusto nyo sunod, ha. Huwag lang din natin. Okay guys, somebody shot me. Na. Okay, I need the pink. And that's actually it. Actually, no. I need to blue it. I made this now. I have my blueberry, strawberry. Ciao. Bye-bye.